Have you ever been frustrated when the Safari browser on your iPhone isn't working as it should? Resetting the browser can be a great way to fix any issues. In this helpful tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps of how to reset Safari on your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone. And then scroll down until you see an option called Safari. Once you find it, tap on it. And then scroll down a little bit. And you'll see an option called Clear History and Website Data. So in order to reset your Safari browser, simply tap on that option. Clearing will remove history, cookies, and other browsing data. History will be cleared from devices signed into your iCloud account. Simply tap on Clear History and Data. And then tap on Close Tabs. Now you have successfully removed all history and website data, and by doing so, you've reset your Safari browser. You can also scroll up and tap on Autofill to toggle off your contact info and credit cards. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.